The trails are a little icy here, so I picked up these Yaktrax. I've never used them before. Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I'm doing the Thumb Butte Trail here in Prescott, Arizona, and my first time doing this hike. It is 2.5 miles round trip, 688 feet of elevation gain. I'll let you know how hard I think it is toward the end. So it's about 34 degrees this early February morning. Doesn't feel too bad though. I'm bundled up pretty good. There's no wind either. So that right in front of me is the mighty Thumb Butte. So this thing starts climbing pretty good. I'm out of breath a little bit, but I'm so glad I have my Yaktrax. Yeah, this is so icy. And these things are working pretty well. Really incredible views of the Prescott National Forest from up here. I still got more climbing to do. Looks like we got dog tracks, but it also could be a coyote or a wolf, you never know. Looks like the top is right there, not too much further. Yeah, I remember hearing there was a Hot Shots memorial up here. It's a little one, but still nice. A fire truck. Wow. So I started taking this spur trail. Now I'm not sure, but I'm thinking it probably just takes you to the tippy top. So I think I got pretty close to the top. I didn't want to go any further up though because it just seemed a little sketchy, but I got a great view. So it looks like I'm back on the main trail again, and it's actually a dirt trail now instead of concrete. Look at the cactus surrounded by snow. Snow again. Time to get the yaks back on. There's Thumb Butte right there. You can tell I've gotten pretty close to the bottom now. All right, so I'm gonna label this trail as moderate. It is a little steep going up, but it's quick, and going down is super easy. So yeah, it's definitely not a hard hike, not an easy hike, a nice in the middle hike. So yeah, this is definitely a really cool short hike to do in the Prescott, Arizona area. I want to thank you so much for joining me on another adventure today. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would totally love to bring you with me on future hiking adventures, maybe around the Prescott, Arizona area or other parts of the nation. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time.